Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your final day of Writer's Workshop for this week. Today, we are going to focus on our Fix It Up checklist. Are all my fish writers ready to get started? Wonderful. Let's go ahead and look at the materials that we are going to need today. You are going to need your iPad with the timer set for 15 minutes, a pencil, a dry erase marker, your completed writing paper, and your green Fix It Up checklist. If you do not have all of those items, pause the video and get them now. Good job. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to set your timer for 15 minutes and start the timer. Pause the video while you go and set your timer. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Let's look at our green Fix It Up checklist. We are going to start with I can begin my sentence with an uppercase letter. So we should only have an uppercase letter for the beginning word at the beginning of our sentence, the very first word at the beginning of our sentence. And if there's any names or such, because people's names are always capitalized at the beginning. So I'm looking at my writing and I circled all, I have lots of places where I needed a capital here at the beginning because that's the first word of my sentence. This is in the middle of a sentence, the drink, so it needs to be lowercase. Oh my, I accidentally put a capital just because I started a new line, so that one needs to be lowercase. I have some more capitals and more capitals where they should be lowercase. I'm going to fix these real quick. I'm going to pause. Just please hold on for a moment. Whew. Does that look better? Yeah, I need to remember to use a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence and only then for the first letter of a word that's a person's name. All the other letters need to be lowercase. Go ahead and pause the video and look at your writing to see if you have only a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence, but mostly lowercase letters for all the rest. Do that now. Welcome back. Good job. We can check that off because we have made sure that we don't have uppercase letters where they're not supposed to be. Next, we're going to check to see if we have finger spaces between our words. Oh, it looks like I have 3 spots where I was writing so quickly I forgot to put my finger down to save a space. Let me fix that. Whew, that looks so much better. I can see all of the words. I want you to go ahead and pause this video and double check your writing to make sure you have finger spaces between all of your words. Good job. We can check that off. Now we need to make sure that we punctuate. I can punctuate each sentence. So we want to make sure that there's punctuation at the end of both of our sentences. See, my favorite thing to drink is sweet tea. I have my period there. I like it because it is cold and refreshing. Oh no. Let me put that period right there. There we go. I have fixed mine. You pause the video and check to see if you have punctuation at the end of your sentences. Great job. We can check that off. Next, we're going to look in our writing to see if we have blends and digraphs in our writing. If you can't remember some words that are blends or digraphs, ask your teacher because I know that there are some charts in your room or in your writing folders to help you. I see several blends and digraphs in my writing, so I am good. Pause the video and check yours now. Good job. We can check that off. Now remember, you can't check it off if you didn't add it in there. If you didn't add blends and digraphs into your writing, you need to put an X in that box. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to read our sentence to see if it makes sense. Now I have 2 sentences, so I'm going to read both of them. My favorite thing to drink is sweet tea. That makes sense. I like it because it is cold and refreshing. Both of them make sense. Pause the video to check to see if your writing makes sense. Good job. We can check that off. Now, this next one is an area I really had to work on because last time I had too many letters that were too big for my paper. They were going all over the lines. So I tried to use better handwriting this time. This says my handwriting is neat. So you're going to look at your writing and see if you formed your letters in the lines correctly so that it's easier for the reader to read. Let me look at mine. Yes, my handwriting is very neat on this one. I can check it off. I want you to check your handwriting. Pause the video and do that now. Great job. We can check that off. The last thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we added picture details. I do not have a picture up there in mine, so I would have to put an X there. But I want you to check yours. Look at your picture. Do you need to add anything to it? Pause the video and do that now. You can check that off after you've confirmed that you've left picture details. Now, boys and girls, there's one more thing we need to do. I need you to think about, did you need to fix something on your writing? I want you to take a picture of what you changed and post it on Seesaw. Make sure your Fix It Up checklist is right next to your writing paper so that your teacher will see what you fixed and what maybe you might need to work on. All right, boys and girls, you did a great job. You can put your paper in the completed side of your work folder or wherever your teacher has you put your completed writing.